Hello, I am Ben, and we're going to show you how to do a erupting volcano, and you need a test tube box from this kit, and a test tube, baking soda, no powder, 1-4 cups of vinegar, and red coloring, food coloring. And this is Courtney and Hannah.
Ready?
Okay. And I'm Ben.
Okay. Ready? Uh-oh. Wow. It's only exploding on one side. Oh, there. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Wow. Look at that. Woo! Is it good? We done?
It's make sure more. Like make it huge.
That's too much baking soda.
Like
Maybe
just dump it in.
Well, we don't want to use too much baking soda.
Why?
Because we don't want to waste it.
Might want to use it.
I'll just put this one last cup in, okay? Ready? Ready?
3, 2, 1. Boom.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh, yeah.
Boom.
Alright, time to clean up, everybody.
And
the end.
This is some stuff that will dry up. As you can see right here. It's kind of everywhere, as you can see on this cloth.
But we can wash that, right?
You can wash it, but it actually feels pretty good, so
Thank you for watching.
yeah.